Hello everyone, welcome back to Avan Academy. Today we will be doing a new topic called logarithms. Logarithms. First of all, you should know what this word means. Logarithm is made up of two Greek words. One is logos, which means ratio, and other is arithmos, which means number. But I will going to tell you a much easier definition. Logarithm is a way of writing indices differently. So we came to know that logarithm is related to indices. I try to explain you this by giving you an example. So let's say we have 3 to the power of 3, and 3 to the power of 3 is equals to 27. This is the base and this is the power. This 3 tells us that the base is multiplied 3 times to itself. Is there a way that we can write this differently? We can also write this as 3 equals to log to the base 3 of 27. Now note that we have changed the subject of formula. Previously this was the subject of formula. But when we took the log, the power became the subject of formula. So over here we can say two things. First of all, that logarithm is an inverse of index or power. And other thing is that logarithm is the power. Now the question is that how to read this. We read this as log of 27 to the base 3 is equals to 3. Now let me give you an example to make things clear. Let's say we have 2 to the power of 3. This is equals to 8. Now let's write this in the log form. So this will be written as 3. The power will become the subject of formula, and we will write this as log to the base 2 of 8. Now if I write x over here instead of 3, so now how will we calculate that? How would we know that the answer is 3? Okay, so you will look at the base and the final outcome, and you should see that how many times should the base be multiplied with itself so that I can get the final outcome. In this case, we know that 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 has to be multiplied 3 times to itself so that we can get 8. So x will be equals to 3. Let's take another example. So we have 4 to the power of x equals to 64. Now let's write this as the log form. So this will be written as x equals to log 464. Now how many times should the base 4 be multiplied to itself so that we can get 64? So 64 is 16 times 4, and 16 can be written as 4 times 4 times 4. So 4 has to be multiplied 3 times to itself so that we can get 64. So the answer will be 3 equals to log to the base 4 of 64. I hope you understood.